That's good. Tastes fresh.
Hello, welcome to Plated. My name's Mark, and today we are doing a buttermilk fried chicken, the ultimate buttermilk fried chicken.
Brian Little.
Take a look at this one. We've got a brine going here. We got a small pot of warm water so we can dissolve some of the salt, the sugar, the onion, and the garlic powder. We're going to put some bay leaves, some parsley, and some lemons in here just to get the fragrance going, and infusing the chicken with all of these spices and salt. And then we're going to go on to the buttermilk part. So stick around. This will be really good for you, a learning experience. And if you even know how to do it, you might want to try this technique. So let's go ahead and get it dredged, get it ready to put into the hot grease. You can start the grease at about 350 degrees. You can use a skillet, or you can use a heavy iron pot like we have here. And then we just drop it down. And you're gonna cook this for about 14 to 15 minutes. Like a high smoke cooking oil. You might want to try canola or peanut oil. We're gonna get ready to take the chicken out of the oil. We drained it really good and put it on a like a baking sheet with a rack on it to let it strain down. see here, this is really good. We paired ours with waffles, but you can certainly do a full-fledged dinner. So this would go breakfast, lunch, or dinner on this one. Again, thank you for watching our videos. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.